Organizing your time is the first crucial step to take in order to boost your productivity. Using your time wisely means that you have time for work, leisure, along with also having time for your family and friends. At the end of the day, we all have 24 hours in each day. It is up to you how you're going to use them. Welcome to our channel. If you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Eat that frog. Eat that frog simply means you do your most important task first. After completing your most important task, you will feel fulfilled and satisfied for the rest of the day. By practicing this habit, you will also avoid one of the biggest enemies of productivity: procrastination. Number 2. Put time limits on your work. No matter what I do, whether writing an article, shooting a video, or working on a marketing campaign, I always put a time limit on my work. That means that I decide in advance how much time I'm going to spend making a video. I set it to a certain number of hours and not a minute more. If you want to increase your productivity before you start writing a letter to your customer or learning online skills or any new task you start, put a time limit on your work. You will see how effective you will become after setting a specific amount of time to do the job. Number 3. Break your work down into sessions. Your brain and your body are impressive machines, but don't overuse them. Studies show that your brain's effectiveness significantly decreases after 45 minutes. Make a habit of having 5 or 10-minute breaks every 45 minutes. Stretch your body and allow your brain to regenerate. Doing so will help you to start each hour fresh and increase your productivity. Number 4. Don't be addicted to your mailbox. Checking your mailbox every 30 minutes or setting an automated email checker makes you completely reactive, as opposed to being proactive, and thus significantly decreases your productivity. Tomorrow, when you go to work, resist checking your email as the first thing you do in the morning. Instead, work on your most important task first. After that, you have plenty of time to do all the little things. Number 5. Write it down. What I learned from reading the biography of Sir Richard Branson years ago is that he always carries an old-fashioned paper notebook with him. Why is this habit so beneficial? And why can it greatly affect your productivity? When a new idea pops into your mind, you can simply quickly write it down in your notebook. So, write those ideas down in your paper notebook. That means all of your ideas, otherwise you will just forget them. Yes, your smartphone will also get the job done. These little ideas can make a big difference in your work. Number 6. Choose 5 priorities each day, and no more. Multitasking is another thing which can greatly decrease your productivity. The best way to avoid it is to choose only 5 priorities each day and stick to them strictly. This will make you a proactive person. You won't be distracted by 100 other urgent things. Number 7. Use affirmations. Actually, we all use affirmations all the time. Different thoughts are crossing our minds constantly. The question is, are you using positive ones? Start telling yourself things like, "I am successful." Use these affirmations first thing when you wake up and repeat them throughout the day. They will affect your confidence, and the more confident you are, the more effective you are. Number 8. Imagine your end result. Before you start your workday, don't just rush into your work. First, imagine the end result you wish to have. By doing this, you will tap into your subconscious strength and empower your productivity. Number 9. Read inspirational books. Inspiration is food for your mind. Just as you shower every day to cleanse your body, you should shower your soul with inspiration every day. Read inspirational books, watch inspirational videos, and listen to inspirational audio. When you are inspired, you work with an ease and your productivity will rise substantially. Number 10. Think good thoughts before you go to sleep. I'm sure you have already experienced having bad dreams after watching a horror movie before you went to sleep. Why? Because your subconscious mind is very receptive to your thoughts in the last 45 minutes before you go to sleep. So, before you go to sleep, think of your next day's goals, your life dreams, or read a good motivational book. In that way, you will fill your subconsciousness with positive thoughts. Your subconscious will reciprocate by helping you to have increased productivity. And that covers our list for the best ways to organize your work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.